નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we will study about the exercise 5.2 question number 2. So now in this question we will study how we can construct a pie chart. So till now we have studied how we can get the information from the pie chart. Now we will study how we can construct the pie chart. So here this is the topic of standard 8 chapter number 5 data entry. So what is the question? The question is a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons rainy, winter and summer. So here we have given the table that this column represents the season, this column represents the number of votes. So the summer season was liked by the 90 people, rainy season was liked by the 120 people and the winter season liked by the 150 people. So the total number of people that are surveyed is 360, right? So the total number of people is 360. Now we have asked some of the question here is that first question is which season got the most voted? See, which season got the most voted? See, which digit is greater? Winter, rainy or summer? Winter, right? Because it gets 150 votes. So first answer of the first question is winter. Okay, second question is find the central angle of each sector. Here we have to find the central angle for each of the season. So how we can get the central angle, right? So here see the total number of people is surveyed is equals to 360 degree. So this whole circle means 360 people. Also the angle, this whole angle is how much? Circular angle total is 360 degree. So now we can calculate this angle for the summer, that is equals to, see, number of voters is here 90, total angle is equals to 360 degree. We have to divide it with the total people, that is also 360. So when we cut this 360 and 360, we get the 90 as answer, and this is what? 90 degree. This is the center angle made by the people who vote for the summer season, right? So we have to make a sector here which has a 90 degree. This is what we get as an angle for the summer, right? Okay, now we have to calculate for the rainy season. So in the same way we can calculate the angle for the rainy season is equals to, now how many votes are there in rainy season? That is 120. Total angle is 360 degree. Again the total number of people is 360. Again we got this 360, we got the 120 degree is the answer. So the sector we have to make here, construct here for the rainy season is 120 degree. We have to make a 120 degree at the center, right? Now for the winter season, how many votes in the winter season is 150. 150 into total angle is 360 degree. Again the total people is 360. When we cut it, we get the 150 degree is the answer. So calculate the angle 150 plus 120, that is 270. 270 plus 90 is what? 360 degree. So we get the total angle. Yes, here that is easy for our to calculate because the total number of people is 360 degree. But it is not necessary that every time we get the total is 360, right? When we get the total approx suppose to 500, so we have to divide here with 500, right? So for what we want to find the angle, here we want to find the angle for the summer, so that data we have to put here. We have to multiply it with the total number of the degree and we have to divide with the total number of the data collected, right? So the same thing we have to apply in these two, and the same thing we have to apply for this type of sum to find out the angle. Now the third one thing we have to ask here to draw the pie chart to show this information. So now we have to draw the pie chart that shows this information. right? So here we have this is the center. First of all, we have to draw a circle. Do not draw the circle at by taking the small radius, right? Take some radius and draw the circle so that it is easy to see the graph. Okay, now here we have all the angles. This angle for the summer season is 90°, the angle for the rainy season is 120°, and angle for the winter season is 150°. So from where we have to start? See, we can start to draw this by taking a line here. We can take a radius here, right? Now see, the first angle is of summer season is 90°, so we have to make an angle with by taking this one as the one arm of the angle. So when we take this one arm, one of the arm of the angle, we have to construct one another arm. So now using you have whatever you have to measure the angle, you can use that the protractor. You can measure the 90° angle here, and you can draw this another arm of the angles. Also we can say the radius of the angle. So this degree, this now is constructed here is 90°, right? Okay, now the second thing we have to construct here is angle for the rainy season, that we get 120°. So here this is one of the arm we have to consider. So by taking this arm as a base, as a reference, we have to construct a 120° angle here. So 120° will be, we can construct approximately, you will get here, right? So this is 90, this is what we get, 120°. So now the whatever is the remain will be the angle for the winter season. So this much of the angle will be for the winter season, that is 150°. As there is only 3 data, we have get the 3 sectors. This is the what we called as a pie chart, right? This is we make the pie chart, we relate the information here. Now write down all the information that this 90° is for which season. This is the summer season. This 120° is for what? The rainy season. And the third is for the winter season. What about this data? This data is about the season liked by the people. Okay, we can also write down it as the seasons liked by people. The group of the people. We can also write down the group of the people. So in this way we can construct the pie chart. Understand? Okay. Okay, so now we will study the question number 3. This question is also related to draw the pie chart. See, the question number 3 is draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. So here we have given a table. The first one is the column is the colors, and second column is the number of the people. So this information is about the number of the people preferred their color, the preferred which color, right? So the blue color is preferred by the 18 people, green color is preferred by 9 people, red color is preferred by 6 people, yellow is preferred by 3 people. So the total number of people here is 18 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3 is 36. So this survey is doing for 36 on the 36 people. This people is about which color they preferred. So here we have given one hint is that find the proportion of each sector. For example, blue is 18 upon 3, that 36, that is 1 upon 2, green is 9 upon 36, that is 1 upon 4, and so on. Use these to find the corresponding angles. So here we have to draw a pie chart, and we know that to draw the pie chart we must have the angles. If we have the angles, then we can construct that angle in the circle, and that will become one sector. In the same way, for the second angle, we can construct the second sector. So we must have the sector and we must have the angle value. So here, to find out the angle value, we have given that to find the proportion of blue color. See, blue color is preferred by 18 people and total number of people is 36. So here we get total, that is if we cut this 18 and 36, we get 1 upon 2 because 18 2s are 36. So what we get, the proportion of the blue color is 1 upon 2. Now we know that if we consider this whole circle as a 1, if we consider the whole circle as a 1, then what is the proportion of the blue color is 1 half. That means the half circle we have to give to the blue color, right? So now think about the angle. If the total angle is 360 degree, then how much angle we have to give the blue angle? Half. That means 180 degree. So to calculate that, we can use this formula to calculate the angle is equals to whatever we get here the proportion, we have to multiply it with the degree. That is 360 degree. Total degree of this angle. And that we get here is 180 degree. When we divide 360 by 2, we get 180 degree. So this is the way we can get the angle of the sector. So the sector of the blue color is 180 degree. Now, in the same way, we can get the green proportion of the green color. That is, see, the green number of people like the prefer the color green is 9. So 9 upon 36, and we can cut it by 4. 9 4s are 36. We get the proportion 1/4. Now we can multiply it with 360 degree to get the angle. So angle we get here is 1 upon 4 into 360 degree, that is equals to 90 degree. Second angle we get. Now red, proportion of the red, that is, see, the red color is preferred by the 6 people. So 6 upon 36 is 1 upon 6, and angle we can get here is 1 upon 6 into 360 degree, that is equals to 60. 6 6 are 36 and 0 is there. So 60 degree. Proportion of the green, yellow, that is equals to 3 upon 36 and that is equals to 1 upon 12. So the angle here we get is 1 upon 12 into 360 degree, and that is 30 degree. So all these 4 angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. For all the 4 colors, now we have the angles. So we can now start to draw the pie chart. First of all, draw one circle. This is the center of the circle. So for the blue color, we have to take 180 degree. So if we take one of the line here, then how we can make the 180 degree angle? This total angle will be in 180 degree angle. This total angle from here to here will be the 180 degree of the angle, right? Because a half here will be is the 90 degree, so the total is 180 degree. Now we have to construct, we have to make a 90 degree of the angle. So we can take either this radius or from center to this radius. Now we are considering this portion. So from here, if we take the 90 degree of the angle, we can draw it like this. This is the 90 degree of the angle. See, you have to use the compass. So you have to use the ruler, right, to draw the angle, to measure the angle. So now this angle is 90 degree. Now third one is 60 degree. So now also here also you have to take this line or this line as a base, and from that you have to construct the 60 degree. Or if you consider this one as a base, you have to take this one as a one of the arm of the angle, and from here you have to measure the angle 60 degree. So we will get it in this way. So here this angle will be the 60 degree. So whatever the remain here is the 30 degree. So here we get all the angles. We divide this whole circle into the 4 parts. So 180 degree means which color? This is the this represents the blue color. 90 degree means it's refer the green color. Red 60 degree means the red color, and 30 degree means yellow. So in this way, this is the pie chart of whatever the data we have given. In this way, we can represent the data on the pie chart. Okay. So what kind of data we have given, from that we have to find out the proportion, and from that we can find out the angle. And this angle we have to make in the circle, right? Base we have to take as a 360 degree because the total angle of the circle is 360 degree. So in this way we can draw the pie chart. So this is all about this lecture. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.